Dear students and working people, welcome to my Smart TallyPrime class YouTube channel. So this channel is mainly meant for giving training, free training to all the people in TallyPrime and with GST. Okay, and I uploaded four videos, that is two in Telugu and two in English. Giving the in the first video, I gave introduction about myself and my channel. In the second video, I gave the elaborate description of the topics or subject matter going to be covered in all my videos. Okay, and after that, just to start uploading this particular this subject matter, there was some delay. So very sorry for that. Now I started, and from now I am going to upload all the videos, and in the beginning all the videos regularly, but in all the videos I will make in both the languages, Telugu and English. First, today I made English Telugu video, and now I am making the English video. And next time again second video Telugu, and then the same video again in English. Every video will be both in Telugu and in English. Okay, and then now our main aim is to learn TallyPrime with GST. That is our main aim. But to learn well the TallyPrime, we must have basic accounting knowledge. Basic accounting knowledge means from the recording of the transactions from the beginning till the end, till the finalization of accounts, preparing the balance sheet, etc. Till that, you must have some basic knowledge. You must have expert knowledge. You must have some basic knowledge. And if the students are some BCom, MCom, MBA like students, they will have the basic knowledge also. They can refresh their knowledge again now. And the students from other subjects like BTech, MTech, MA, MSc, like that, those people also can very easily learn this, because this subject is not a tough subject. It's a very simple subject. If you carefully understand, it is a very, very easy subject among all the other subjects. That's why you, first of all, you have to gain the basic knowledge in accounting. So for that, I am starting the basic knowledge of accounting. And before that I start, I request you, please subscribe to my channel. And beside that, you will get a bell icon. So click that bell icon. It will come. It will be in black. Select all. In such case, you will get notification for all the videos which I upload. So you can easily know when the videos are coming on live. Okay, and you that one. And then when you are watching the videos, watch all the videos till the end. Don't skip them till the end. You have to see and like the videos. And when you are practicing, watching the videos and making the practice, if you have any problem, or if you cannot understand anything, watch the video again and again and make practice many times, so you can understand very well. Even still then, if you have any problems, you post comment in the video, in the same concerned video. So now I am saying, if you have any doubts in that concerned video only, you have to post the comment. Then only I can understand. And there's some more thing. And here the video is also good. So the comments also I welcome. So everybody post a comment. Any problem, I will clarify the problems or doubts. If you know a problem, if it is good, you inform it. Because what if any teacher will feel that he is teaching very well, but only others will know how he is teaching. Okay, I am teaching very well, I will say, but I cannot say you only know how I am teaching. Okay, that's why comments are very important. Likes are very important. If you have more likes, so other people also will see how there. If the likes are more, that means the video is good. Like that, others also will come to this video. Okay, and then we will enter into the subject. Now, first of all, I will tell you the accounting. In olden days, that is ages back, there was no accounting system. They used to do something water system, giving some articles, taking goods and taking some other articles like that. Water system they used to do, and in the passage of time, development of civilization, and they developed some systems like counting some kinds like that. And later, still due to the more development in the civilization, and then accounting system is necessitated. It has become a necessity for an accounting system to record the transactions. So in such a case, at that time, during 1494, an Italian mathematician called namely Luca Pacioli. Remember this, Luca Pacioli. So he formed the rules for accounting in his book all about geometry, mathematics, and proportions, because this is the matter related to the mathematics. So he wrote the book. In that book, he mentioned accounting system in 27 pages. In 27 pages, he wrote about the accounting system relating to that period. Details of calculation and recording in 1494. That is the basis for the present day accounting system called, this is called double entry system of accounting. So that is the 27 pages is the basis for the present day accounting system. That is why this person is called, this by Luca Pacioli is called father of accounting, like Mahatma Gandhi. He is called father of the nation because he got the independence. Similarly here, he brought into life this accounting system. That's why he is called father of accounting. Nowadays we are using many terms like debit, credit, journal, ledger. All these are originated from the same book of Luca Pacioli. Now we are talking about accountants. So what is who is an accountant? Like this we are talking. This accountant word, the word accountant is derived from French word. The French word is compter. That is the French word compter. That means count. The meaning of compter is count. So in the evolution of time, the compter has become counter. And then still advanced of time, it has become accountant. And then it has become accountant. So at present, the name is accountant is the name of the work. So accountant is the person who is working the accounting. So just like Rajamahendravaram, so what the name was Rajamahendravaram. The English people, they cannot pronounce, they said they made it as Rajamandri, like this. Okay. So this is the history of accounting. Okay. Now, actually, accounting is not a science or any difficult subject, because in the day-to-day life, everyone knows accounting because they don't know that it is accounting. See, everyone knows accounting. Simply take an example: a housewife. She receives salary from, take the salary from her husband, and he will spend the money. So he will write the account. So what is the amount paid to someone? What is the amount paid to milk? What is the amount paid to provisions? Like that, she will write. That is accounting. That is nothing but accounting. Okay. So that is accounting. But why, in such a case, why you are especially learning accounting means that is very simple accounting, but we have to, for record these transactions, we have to make the accounting in a systematic way. That is why we are learning the accounting. So now I will come to what is the meaning of accounting? What is the accounting means? So in everything, in any business or anything, many business transactions will be taking place. Those they are called business transactions. A business transaction means it is an activity. There are many activities. An activity with an economic value. The activity must have an economic value and which can be measured in terms of money. That activity should be able to measure the activity in terms of money. In terms of money. For example, we are purchasing goods. For purchasing goods, we went to the seller by auto. Okay, so we will go there, we will pay the auto fare. So what is the auto fare paid? That is money only. So that's why the traveling to the place by auto and paying the money, is called traveling expenses. It has economic value and it is paid in money. So it is can be measured in terms of money. Suppose you are not going by auto, going by walk. So if you are going by walk, can you measure the walk in money? Does it have economic value? No. And you cannot measure the walking in terms of money. You cannot say, I walked for 50 rupees walking. So there is no such thing like that. That is why a business transaction is an activity with an economic value which can be measured in terms of money. And accounting means in every business transaction, we have to identify the transaction first. Identify the transaction, analyze the transaction, what happened in the transaction, what happened in the transaction, and then classifying. So in every transaction, there will be two aspects. We can call them as benefits also. One aspect we will give, or benefit we will give, and another aspect we will receive in every transaction. So we have to classify the aspects which we are getting. What are the two aspects in every transaction, and how to classify them? What is the receiving aspect and giving aspect, and record these transactions in the books of account in a systematic way. In the manual system, we will write in the book is right, but now we will record in the computer, in the software. So that is called the accounting. We have to make it a systematic way. Okay, and now I told you already, we have to first identify the transaction. We have to identify the transaction, whether it has money value, and then we have to analyze the transaction. Analyzing means the aspect, or hereafter we call every aspect, we call as account. For every aspect, we will write in the name of every aspect, we will write as account. Traveling is an aspect. Traveling account we write like that. Every aspect we write as an account. So every account, what are the accounts involved in the transaction? Suppose we are going, I told you example, going by auto, traveling. So traveling we made, that is one aspect. Traveling, we are receiving the benefit. Aspect we are receiving, traveling is transportation, reaching there. And the money we are paying, that is another aspect. Like that, we have to analyze the transaction, and we have to determine what are the two aspects involved in the transaction. Then we have to follow some rules. So we know the two aspects. So how to record these two aspects? One is receiving aspect, other is giving aspect. How to record them? So for that we have to follow golden rules of accounting. So Luca Pacioli, he framed the rules. Those rules are called golden rules of accounting. We have to follow the golden rules of accounting from who framed by the father of accounting to decide debit and credit. Means receiving aspect and giving aspect. We call them as debit and credit. So debit means the receiving aspect. What you are receiving, it is called debit. And what is the aspect we are giving? Aspect of benefit we are giving, that is called as, we denote it as credit. So we have to debit one aspect or one account, and we have to credit another account or another aspect. In every transaction, there are two aspects is must, definitely. In some transactions, there will be more than two also. That we will come later. Okay, so we have to decide, we have to record them following the rules, which one is to be debited and which one is to be credited. So to record these aspects, benefits or accounts, which is debit and which is to be credited, we have to follow the golden rules for deciding and for recording these transactions. For recording these aspects are called accounts, I told you already. These accounts are classified into three types. All the accounts are classified into three types. There will be no account which does not fall within these three. Okay. So number one is note down this. Number one is personal accounts. So you can note down, or you can watch the video again and again, or you can take screenshot or photo from my screen, because already notes is there. And number one is personal accounts. Next, number two, real accounts, and number three, nominal accounts. So these are the three types of accounts: personal accounts, real accounts, and nominal accounts. So what is the meaning of these three? The meaning of these three are different type. Accounts. They are as follows. I will give the meaning now. Meaning with examples. Number one, personal accounts. What is meant by personal accounts? Any account, the aspect is regarded as account. So every account which is relating to the individuals, human beings, individuals, firms, and any other organizations, they are classified as personal accounts. Sometimes there are some accounts representing accounts are also personal accounts representing others, because the owner is providing money for the business, starting the business. So he's giving the money. But in the books, we cannot write owner's name. That is why owner name is written in a different name, capital. So capital is a representing the owner. So these type of representing accounts, capital, rights, that will come later. These are also come under personal accounts. For the examples, you can say Rama, Venkat, State Bank of India, Raja & Co, Lakshmi Traders, anything, Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, or any other thing. All these come under the type of personal account. Understand now? Right. Next, we will go to the second one, real accounts. What is meant by real account? All the accounts relating to assets. Assets are properties. All the accounts relating to assets or properties are classified as real accounts. Any asset, we will calculate as real account. For example, the examples here, cash, it is an asset. Goods, furniture, and we can be land, building, computer, everything, and any other fixed asset, anything. So all these are come classified under real accounts. Understand? So number one, personal accounts, individuals, firms, any organization, they are called as personal accounts. All the assets related to assets, they are called as real accounts. Next, number three, nominal accounts. The name itself indicates it is nominal only, nominal, limited for 1 year. I will tell you how. All the accounts relating to expenses or losses. The expenses means to pay the money. Loss means it is expense only, but you don't pay money. Without payment, it is expense to us. That's why it's called loss. So all the accounts relating to the expenses or losses, and incomes or gains. Income, we receive money. Gain means we don't receive money, but it is an income to us. That's why income or gains, they are classified as nominal accounts. They are called as nominal accounts. Example, rent. When you are doing the business, you have to pay many expenses, incur many expenses, you will get many incomes, all these things. They are called as nominal accounts. Example, rent, salaries, commission paid, commission received, printing and stationery, telephone charges, etc., etc. All these are called nominal accounts. Because they are called nominal accounts because they are limited to 1 year only. Because we will record all these expenses and incomes, and at the end of the year, we take them into one place. We will find the difference between income and expenditure. The difference will represent as profit or loss. So these accounts are closed. We find out the profit or loss. The profit or loss will be the owner. Owner will enjoy the profit, and he will suffer the loss. So that goes to owner, and these accounts are closed. So nominal accounts are closed at the end of the year. That's why they are called as nominal accounts. But personal accounts and real accounts, they continue forever. For assets, if you have asset, as long as we have that asset, our account will be there. Personal account, these personal accounts will be there. If we need not pay anything to them, they need not pay anything to them, the balance is nil. Then its account will close. Otherwise, till the balance is there, the account will continue for every year. So that's why these two are different, and nominal account is different from these two. So with this, we finish that, because the first day will take a long time. That is why I made it 2 parts. So part 1 we finished, and tomorrow, in the next video, as per the golden rules of accounting, we will learn. So what are the rules, golden rule for personal accounts? What is the golden rule for real accounts? What is the golden rule for nominal accounts? And then we will learn these with some examples, and then I will give some more examples, and then I will give some exercises also. Then we will go how to record them like that in the second day, third day, like that. So this is day 1, part 1. I finished. Just you see, again once I'm asking, you subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and watch the videos till the end, like all the videos, and don't forget to share the channel to your friends. Okay. And one more thing, wish you a very happy learning, and you will get full knowledge if you watch all the videos in my channel, which I am going to upload from basic to advanced learning. I am uploading, so you be a perfect accountant, not a data entry operator. You must be a perfect accountant. Okay, and wish you all the best. Okay, thank you. We will continue in the next video.